This vehicle has some pretty easy to use heating and air conditioning features. The little fan or low fan, high fan gives you more fan, little fan gives you less fan. Auto keeps the temperature inside the car much like a house would on a thermostat. Off, front defrost, rear defrost, and mirrors, that'd be side mirrors. Your mode button, where you'd want the air to come out, if it's at your feet, face, defrost, or defrost and feet, and the recirculative air and the fresh air mode. To give you an example of what I'm talking about, I'm going to look at our multi-information navigation screen. Why I call it multi-information, you kind of have two of them. You have one that's in between your dash, which is more about the driver. Then you have one that comes down out of nowhere that when you turn on the fan speed, you'll notice that you have a drop down. And when I give it more fan speed, you'll see this little escalation of a yellow ramp. And that ramp is giving you more fan. If I hit off, it'll turn off. It'll say fan off completely. Front defrost, it'll let me know when the front defrost is on. Rear defrost by these two little LEDs. Fan position, where I want the fan to come out. Right now it's pointing at our chest area, chest and feet, feet and feet and front defrost. I would say most of the time I would control my heating and air conditioning controls from this black kind of wedge-shaped design because it's easy to get at. I would, however, go down here to menu and go to climate, and you have more of a screen design if you want to run with the mouse. If I want to change my temperature, there is a separate temperature control over here for the passenger. So if I want to change my temperature, I want to give just a little bit of fan to turn on the system, I can change my passenger temperature to a different temp altogether, 75, and I'm at low. But if I want to go back in and change back to the driver, so he has or she has control, I'm going to hit the word dual. Now both of our temperatures read low and low. And if I change my temperature over here, it's going to change both sides of the car. Now we're at 65, 70, 73. And I can also turn off the AC from this screen as well. So if I want more pure heat in the wintertime, that's how I would turn off the AC. If at any time that you want to turn the AC on by the front panel, all you have to do is hit auto. And the AC light turns back on.